How can you collect 50,000 naira from a girl of 8 years? You know how some where this 50,000 naira for come? They see money like that pick for ground. He probably say na somebody give am. You not find out why this man give this girl this money. Or thank you, you give my daughter money. Or what be the reason why you give her money? You collect the 50,000 naira. You still bring another 30. You collect
with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you join the Dengue post for YouTube, or you dey watch your church, you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we post video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today we want to talk about one man. This man, 70 years old man, when we say he go jogodo 8 years old girl. You know, this matter, it really caused confusion or argument between me and a friend. So we argue. Now it's okay, let me bring this matter come, make una see shook una mouth put, make una see talk whether wetin we dey argue so is e call for, or e dey right, or e no dey right. Wetin really happen be say this old man wanna see for the thumbnail. Now the man na 70 years a day. He get one small girl wey be say e dey their area. This little girl dey 8 years, and every time when be say the girl dey pass, the man na the walking stick dey stand kokoroko kakaraka. The 5 year one pour the washing machine water. You know, this lockdown really dey talk am. It cause so many things. It repair things. Now so it damage so many things. This lockdown, hey God, if you see the story when be say e don dey table because of this lockdown, you go shock, you go surprise. Lockdown cause so many things. Now so it repair things. So during this lockdown now, this Papa Yoyo, 70 years old man, you know, see where he want pour the washing machine water put. He come waka around, you know, say, now this small pikin. Now you can say, I believe say they'll still get some chiquitos around now. Supposing you just carry one chiquito pay, if for them more better, because this small girl, he pay. Now this payment, now the argument for take home. So he can't collaborate this small girl. He can't do it the first time. He give this girl 50,000 naira. Then again, he can't collaborate the girl for the second time. He give her 30,000 naira. So the girl can't get pains and all that. The neighbor can't say this pains so your pikin they get so. Maybe you try me go find out what they cause the pains, and they tell the mother. So the mother can't really carry and go check up and all that. They can't discover say somebody don't they vandalize that place. Then they call house and say who be the person when be say they touch that. Take the mother straight to this Papa Yoyo house and point Papa Yoyo, say now the man be this. Then they say, Papa Yoyo, why you do this thing? Then the area people, you know now, Africa people, they first give her hands. When they give her hand before they come carry her go station. So that station there, now the man for confess, say yes, he really they do one. In jogodo, he pay. The first time he paid 50,000 naira. The second time he paid 30,000 naira. So the man dey under custody now, but then they believe say since the man get money and he get some friends wey be say they be rich people for that area, then they try to give this man bail, and then they believe say they go pay this man, but they pray maybe say this man go for it. So where the argument come dey now between me and a friend, it can't be me. I got to say not be only this man supposed to go the kirikiri. If I thought say they finally say this man will go kirikiri, what about the person when you collect the first 50,000 naira and the second 30,000 naira? Probably not the mother, because they not talk about that part. So maybe the argument will they get. So my friend say no, that part's not important. The man will do the thing, may go for it. Now say no. Person when be say he collect money. How can you collect 50,000 naira from a girl of 8 years? You know how some where this 50,000 naira for come? They see money like that pick for ground. He probably say na somebody give her. You not find out why this man give this girl this money. Or thank you, you give my daughter money. Or what be the reason when you give her money? You collect the 50,000 naira. he still bring another 30, you collect am. So the man say he wan sue the parents too because they collect money. Now that will be the argument. What do you really think? The parents supposed to go to, because they collect 50,000 naira and 30,000 naira from this little girl, which is 80,000 naira. This small girl not dey work. Where for see the money? They not talk about that part. So now that part not be the argument when he did, because me I say if the man go for it is good, but the people wey collect that money make them still join too, because they be part of the crime. They be accomplice, abi how they speak the Oyibo. As far as they fit get mind to collect that kind money from this small girl without asking where the, most parents they do something when we say the thing they get as it be. Your pikin, your girl pikin, when you know say this my pikin, so he never they work, he never they earn salary, if they bring such amounts they come house, they know they ask. Now when the thing don't red, when we say AK don't involve, they come they pretend like say they don't know. Now part of the crime. Your pikin they bring money come house, you not ask, you not find out, you not dig out, you they accept. But when the thing don't budget finish, you come cry out, hey, my pikin na this so, my pikin na that so, or he do my pikin this so, he do my pikin that. When you don't see the green light, maybe the man for not do the second one. Supposing you now find out where that first 50,000 from come. If not be the neighbor wey he tell the mama say this your pikin, it always they get this pains. So the mama just dey no say pikin they get paid, because according to wetin the news talk, na me they talk here now. So this your pikin they always they get pains. Why you not go find out wetin they do this your pikin? Which means the mother know he just quiet, or you don't know, or you know they care for a pikin. Okay, more assume say you not really know, na neighbor tell am fine, but what about the money? You just know say somebody just did there when they touch or not be the real mother this small girl they stay with. Because that place really they confuse me. My friend say no, as far as say na the man I do, I make the man go for it, the money no matter. Me I say the money matter. The money matter, because even the man self, you say if you come out for kirikiri, they'll come will sue them for the money when they collect for your hands. They will pay interest, because they not fit say they don't know. The man say they don't give her wife, now make her begin they pay, but you not can go in a normal way, and the family they collect. So sometimes if our children they bring money come out, they really they find out. And so this man for your taste spoil this small girl life now. If not be say neighbor tell am say go check, they can't go check. Now so they go, they collect money, they collect money, they collect money. This little girl, the everything go damage. They got the egg, everything go damage. I don't know talk one story early last year, about one man when be say his sister, that is the wife last born, when he cry follow them go husband house. When be say, and so you do am. That one was 10 years, and this one is 8 years. 2 years different. Up till when that woman died, that woman not born pikin. I have the video here. Just go and check, say what happened, the title, what happened 40 years ago in my family is now affecting us. Go and watch that video, you will see her. That girl was 10 years when we say he cry follow his sister, say he want follow and go husband house. Then he carry her. Then the sister know they too get chance like that. A person when they go different village markets, they leave the pikin. Sometimes if she wants to go born, she go see go in mama house, go born, go leave this little girl, because this small girl they go school. Now then the husband just bounce on this small girl, and she was 10 years at that time. He begin they use hand, they scratch the apple, na hand they take start. Now make nobody know, because the man be like saying na wetin if they do before. If they use hand scratch am before he come begin the deep hand inside. From hand before he begin they carry the walking stick small they deep inside, you know. Now so he come take do. The woman no know up till when the junior sister come up for the house. Now when the junior sister marry, when be say he marry first one, he marry second one, they say the guy the egg now, so it be not be like this, it be like the me fala. They say the time when she small, that time when that man take do one, now he make the guardian come be like this, because he not gonna let her develop, he not make her grow to come grow the way God take create, and when go take grow, go feel pikin. So as e come be like this now, if the washing machine water dey come, go just hand kwa and so I don't do the story before. The thing affect that woman, the woman not born till when she go like that. So this 8 years old now only 2 times now they do am, and I pray make it not affect am for that 2 times when the man do am. If not be the neighbor, the man for continue to do am, he go continue to dey do am, and the parents go dey collect the money, pretend as if say they don't know wetin dey happen. He go continue to dey do am until that same thing go come happen to that girl when we say he will grow up, he will marry, no get pikin. It's really bad. How can a mother do that? Everybody they blame the man. Yes, the man get blame for doing that. 17 years. It can even be your great grand pikin. You do that to her. I know it's bad, but why bad the parents when they collect the money? When they look into that, the man say go come back. Maybe anyhow we will still let una know about the story. How the man waka. Maybe if he fit come out for kirikiri, or if he fit come out, now the man picture Nana see for the thumbnail for there. So if the man fit come out for inside kirikiri, maybe if he ask them, make them pay money back, he will come put interest, the money will come big. Now when they say they not fit pay the money, and there wahala will come say start say they come go their own kirikiri. So it's not really good for you to see these things they happen. You will pretend because say money there, money involved. We should learn how to quick they see something, they quick tackle am. Yes, very important, because most parents, they will see their children they go in the wrong way. They'll just dey lazy to correct, or they don't like to involve to one know wetin their pikin they do. There are some parents, if they see €1 for their pikin hand, that €1 the pikin will talk where that €1 for come out. Now all these things we need to know. Let me say we'll pretend say that kind huge amount of money, 8 years old girl. Wanna say reason now with me now. Now wetin bring our argument, because this matter I not really want bring am come out. But as we come the argument, I mean say okay, me go bring am come out. Make I still see for the comment section wetin people go write down. If the parents dey right to collect money and pretend say they don't know wetin dey happen, or they collect money without knowing where that money is coming from, wetin una see for this matter? Abeg una make una shook una mouth put. I wan know that I may make mistake, or na my friend I dey right when he say make they just deal with the man alone and forget about that part. Make we just see. Please, I beg you, if you are watching me, if you have children, you can share this video to your friends, to your brothers and sisters, to everybody, so they will learn too. Please, this lockdown has really cost a lot in the life of so many people, children, adults, parents, grandparents, and gbogbo. This lockdown helped some families, but it still scatter a lot of family. I have to tell you the truth, especially children. Please, when you have a child, try to control his or her own phone or computer, or what do they call a tablet or whatever, those things like phone they use. Please try to control it and see what they have been doing for this lockdown. Try. If you want to really control the phone, you go to Chrome, Firefox, I don't know. You just go there, or Google, you just click on the history, then everything that he or she has been doing all this lockdown, everything will appear. Then you now control it and know what they have been doing. So if there are some things that you have to correct, you correct. If there are some gbogbo they have been watching, so children they watch all this something, all these things when they're not supposed to watch, you know, all this touch me, I touch you, all these things. So the thing they go come, they watch and before you know it, they happen. The thing don't water don't pass Gary. So need to control them, and also put parental guide in their computer, their phone, their tablet, whatever. Try to fix that parental guide so they not go beyond what they're not supposed to watch. Please, it's very, very important, because I don't get so many stories about people calling me about their children watching what they are not supposed to watch. You see one story like that, though I not do one, when one boy jump on top of his sisters, he begin dey know. Now all those things now they cause am, because they not see am for anywhere. I not believe say their papa and their mama can't draw one to the extent say they can't they watch. No. Now through this all this phone, then they take the see am. So as they see am now, body not be firewood now. So the thing they can't they raise. So if you can't get to the extent, you have to jump on something. If na cat here na there, as you go jump on cat. If na dog, if na anything, if na sister, anybody. You see am? So that's why you need to start to dey control them now. Na my just little message wey I just want attach to this one. So abeg una no forget to leave una comment for that our papa yoyo own about the 80,000 naira wey come involve for inside the matter. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, use this opportunity to hit that red button and click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video for here. Please don't forget to press that like, that finger wey you take press like, up ever for you, backward never for you. And please share this video to all your social media network. Share this video to your brothers, to your sisters, to everybody, so they will still learn from inside. That you are sharing our video, you are supporting us, and I pray that God Almighty will send someone to support you in anything that you are doing. If you call 1,000, we answer you in Jesus' name. Amen. We are not here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on our next video. Please don't forget to leave your comments. So I want to see whether I right or wrong. See you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.